what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Before you guys say anything, yes, I am filming this video. I live in a very noisy area, so please bear with me. So you guys must be thinking, hey Yusra, haven't you uploaded this video before? Yes, I have already given a review on this palette before, but ever since I've uploaded that video, one thing has been bothering me a lot. All perfect, but the main purpose of that video was the demo. And while recording, I did not notice that there was a lot of brightness on my face. Although the camera, all the settings of my camera were all great and everything was perfect, the sun was not cooperating with me on that day. There is a window over there and I used natural light as well. It did not show up, so it was bothering me a lot, and I thought to redo that video, but then I was like, let's just not redo the whole video, let's just redo the demo part, and वो video वहीं पे रहे, and the demo should also be uploaded. It's a quick demo, basically part 2 if you haven't seen the part 1, so go and check that out. I have told everything. I have told the price and where can you get your palette from and where did I get mine from, and I told all the shades and everything. So go and check that video out if you guys are interested in more information. So that video is a bit of informative. This one is going to be a quick demo. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. If you're going to open this up, blend, a concealer, a blush and a pout, and if you're going to lift it up, you are going to find powder with a sponge. I should probably know by this time I have some scars, and this thing covers my scars, and again I'm only going to cover half of my face. You guys can compare and see the coverage. I've talked about the formula, I have talked about everything. I'm going to link it in the description box, or you can just click that eye icon or somewhere over here. You can just go and check that out. If you do not want to use any blending tool, you can use your fingers as well. Whatever you prefer, just do whatever you're suitable with, just go with that. Which side would you prefer? Beauty blender one or the brush one? I hope this time the demo was all perfect and you could see everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click that bell button, get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video, that is this Saturday. And yes, I upload video every Saturday. I talk a lot. Thank you so much guys. Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.